Alright. Hello! Welcome to Life in America with Nelia. Or Life in Minnesota. Look at that. So today, I'm featuring a day in my life here in my YouTube channel, Life in America with Nelia. So, hope you watch and like it. Stay tuned. To those who subscribe already, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. And to those who have not subscribed yet, please do watch, like, subscribe, and share. Oh my gosh, look at me. So, papasok na pa ako sa loob at ako'y kakain na magla-lunch ako. Thank you!
Aloha, Philippines!
Good morning! So, papasok ako sa work, pero nagluto muna ako. Maisingit kasi I'm working 9:30 to 5 today. So, para pagdating ko, hindi na ako magluluto. And, meron ngayon snowstorm. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. May snowstorm today. So, hindi ako magda-drive. Expected 6 to 8 inches today. So, ayoko i-risk. Kaya, napag-usapan namin na si Habi ang magda-drive. Yan. Yan. So, nagluto ako ng beef stroganoff bago ako umalis. Tingnan niya. Yan. So, ready na ako to go to work. Oh, wow. Ooh. See that? Yeah. There's a snowstorm today. Cars. Oops. Oh. Alright.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, let's go. Oh my goodness, my hair is freezing.
Yeah. Yep.
It's freezing, babe.
Pretty shut too.
Eyelash too.
Eyelashes. That makes it very hard to see.
Yeah.
When your eyelashes freeze together.
Oh. My hair is hard.
Yeah, I know, baby. Welcome to Minnesota.
Yeah, when Minnesota cold is normal.
Yeah.
And winter also is normal. There you go, you see that?
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Ah. Good morning, everybody. I bet you're very happy that you're not out in a frozen car this morning.
Yes.
Like Nelia and her husband.
Yeah, you're baby. You're the best. Thank you for giving me a ride to work and picking me up later.
Honey, don't mention it. I'm happy to do it.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you get used to driving in this kind of weather.
Yeah.
Which, you know, will probably by the end of the year you'll have driven in snow like this before.
Yeah.
But it's always better to learn and to do it when you don't have time pressure.
Exactly.
Like having to get to work at a certain time. And,
You're right.
yeah. So that just makes everything harder.
Yes, dear.
Alright.
To the left. And let's go to the freeway.
Yep.
I will show you the freeway. The freeway that freaked me out.
I still feel bad about that, honey. I shouldn't have got so excited about things.
I stopped driving in the freeway for a little bit. maybe after a month or two. It's not bad. It's 7 degrees Fahrenheit at this time.
Yeah, no wind chill because we're inside the car.
Ah, yeah. There you go, the freeway. Oh,
The freeway of love. Yeah, see the blinking lights up there? I believe that's a snowplow.
snowplow. Yeah.
What if it is? They're starting very early in the morning.
Alright. It's merging.
Alright, let's get over here. Lights on.
Lights
It's
on.
always a good idea when it's snowing like this
Uh-huh.
to have your lights on. Oh, here we go.
Oh, wow. Baby, careful. It's
Yeah.
kind of icy.
Yes, it is. Yeah.
There you go. That one is a lake and it's now frozen. Yeah. See that? That's lake.
So, hopefully by the end of the day, everything will be plowed reasonably well.
I hope so.
Yeah, that's your hope. But, you don't have to worry about it because you're not driving, so. But when you are driving, that's
the best.
You're always hoping that plows are going to get out there
Oh, yeah.
as soon as possible.
Hmm?
It makes the snow small and dry and blow around.
Yeah.
When the temperature is warmer, like in the upper 20s, lower 30s,
Yes.
you get wet, soggy snow that just kind of sticks wherever it lands.
Oh.
Driving conditions. I prefer this one because the road isn't really slippery because the snow is just like blowing around.
Yes. Flower. The flower.
Flower?
Flower. I said plow, not flower.
Okay.
Plow. Plow. Say it, baby. The correct way. Plow. Plow.
Plow.
Plow.
Yeah, snow plow.
The one who plow is plower.
No, he is called Savior because he saves us from going into a ditch.
Okay, the one who plow is a savior, a hero.
The plow guy.
Plow guy. There's no word as plower. Ang
He's the one that
aga-aga.
we bow down to and say, please
Okay, okay. Ang aga-aga, ang horny.
fix our roads for us.
Yes.
Yeah, see, honey, I think you could have done this.
I can do that.
I think you could drive in this. Yeah, I think you could. Yeah.
Actually, yes. I think I can drive this kind of road condition.
Yep, I
What
think you can.
what make me hesitant is later in the day when I get off from work.
Uh-huh.
That's it. I'm not sure. And
And
I
that's
don't
what,
want.
yeah, that's what I wasn't sure about either.
Yeah. And I don't want to do like just call you and what's gonna happen to the car I'm driving stuck in the store. So yeah. So I'm glad you offer me to give a ride to work.
Yeah, no problem.
Hello, Target! Hiring sila. Let's drop me off in the second door, please. Yeah. What's that?
Ooh, he's having fun.
Ah, yeah, I don't know that guy.
Oh, look at him. He's, what, got a sweatshirt on?
Yeah.
Huh?
We're here.
Alright. Love you, baby.
Love you too. Thank you. See you later.
Bye-bye, Nelia's friends.
Nellie's friend. See you later. Yeah, see ya. Bye. Woo. I'm here. I'm now at Target. That's Miguel Angel. Say hi to Filipinos.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah.
Hello, Filipinos.
And say magandang umaga. Good morning.
Say again.
Magandang
Magandang
umaga.
umaga.
Good job. That's Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Magandang Mongama. Oops, sorry.
Okay.
She always making fun of me.
Okay.
I suffer a lot with her.
Okay, later. I'll teach you more Tagalog.
Okay.
Okay.
Magandang umaga.
Perfecto. Excelente. Alright. I'm ready for work. It's Feb 22, 2022. Hello, this is GD Filipina, also working here in Target, my co-worker. Sabi ni Miguel lang yan. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga sa Pilipinas!
Hello.
Bye!
Bye. See you later.
Yeah. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
You also say magandang umaga.
What does it mean?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Say it again. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang
Umaga.
Try it.
Magandang
umaga.
umaga. Good morning. Good morning.
Mas gusto niya magandang gabi. Okay, magandang
Magandang
gabi.
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 Perfect.
Philippines.
Hello, Bulaklak. Hello. Mabuhay, Philippines. My friend Maria, my coworker as well. Hi. See, I saved my Starbucks because I use the coffee here in the break room, and I have my coffee creamer. Okay, so I'm covering breaks for my coworkers. So my next break is I have to cover break for Judy.
You brush your feet, get to it. I don't know if that's biology or what. Maybe that's just a natural instinct I'll never have.
Mainit.
They never is a long
Kaya mas-
time. Chance is not even a year old. He's gonna live a long, amazing life. And it's not over.
For this boy to have lost his mother after just finding her and then turn his back on his father. I want to know what in the world was going through King's mind. That's the difference between the two of us. You're so lonely.
Seeing life.
With everyone involved. And in this case, it's Jack. That's it. But let's remember, my brother is as tough as they come.
It's your break. Enjoy your lunch.
Yeah, you too.
Quiet and slow. Janet the girl to be.
The service there.
Say hello, Philippines.
Hello. How do I say it?
Philippines.
No, but how do I say hello?
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Hello, Philippines.
Hello, Philippines. All the way from Minnesota.
Yeah,
Cold.
when cold and snow is normal.
Very snowy.
Philippines.
Hi, Steven. Hello, Philippines.
Hello, Philippines.
My favorite human being in Target. Alright. It's time for my lunch.
No, I'm going back to work first.
Alright. Answer. Time for my lunch. But before, let us check the weather out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Woo. And I'm not very cold. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. I should get inside now. Alright. So I'm done with my lunch and I'm just magiging English pa ako. Okay, tapos na ako sa lunch ko at liligpitin ko lang at ako'y babalik na sa work. Yeah,
There we
Linda.
go. Hello, Philippines.
My
Hey.
amazing co-worker.
You are an amazing co-worker, Nelia.
Oh,
That
you
little girl.
are so sweet.
You are so sweet.
Yeah, without
You
saying-
are an amazing co-worker at Target. We love you.
Oh,
There you go.
that's Marie. She's the one who helped me with my driving.
And she's a very, very good student, and she listens. It was so nice teaching her.
Oh, good. See you. Have a good night.
You have a good evening too.
Bye.
Bye.
She's Joey.
Sorry.
My amazing co-worker in fulfillment.
Oh, hello.
Bye.
That's so cute.
Alright, I'm done for the day and my husband is here. Look at that! Slippery! Oh, slippery. Slippery. Where's the car? Yeah. I'm glad I'm not driving home. Oh my goodness, see that? Look at that!
Oh, you getting through there, honey?
Oh my god! I can do this. Oops. Oh my god, it's so cold.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nasty wind.
Yeah, you're right. We're going home. Look at that. It's a
Hey.
big pile of snow.
Snow Mountain.
It's snow mountain there. Yeah, get some snow. More snow.
So,
Wow, good driver.
very carefully. The
Snow.
parking lot is not very full at all, is it?
Oh yeah. Look at that. Another snow.
Yeah.
A mountain of snow here, dear.
Oh yeah.
Here, there, and everywhere.
Yes.
So they said that 6 to 8 inches of snow for this snowstorm. For this snowstorm.
Oh really? I didn't know it was that much.
So
It seems like maybe 5 or 6.
5 or 6.
Yeah, to me. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Good. So it's a wrong forecast. It's still snowing.
A little bit, yeah.
Snowing. We're home.
Let's go.
Freedom. Freedom. What?